Alright. Hey guys, my name's Josh. This is day 2 of Programming365. So let's just get started. So what I did yesterday is get the JavaScript, main JavaScript ready. Up. Go. So what I did is I wrote it in the new ES6 syntax, which I just learned 3 days ago. So I started implementing that so that I can be ahead of the game. But let me know if something that I shouldn't be worrying about or not. So basically what it does right here, create random number, it is a function which let random numbers will create an array, and then right after the array is created, it will go through a for loop 6 times, and it will push a number between 1 and 50 into the random numbers array. So there are 6 random numbers. And after that, it will return random numbers into this random numbers array in the play game. Right here, the is correct array will check if user's guess in the random numbers that was generated here is correct. So it'll create a correct guess, which will either equal true or false with this for loop, which will go through 6 times because there are 6 letters and numbers, and it will push true or false. I will rewrite this to I will be using 6 input boxes instead of commas. So with this here, I don't even have to split it. It'll be 6 input boxes in each array push into the array. So that makes sense. So let's action. Let's go into where are ya? There you go. Firefox. Now once it loads, I made it pop up an alert. Now that won't happen in the full game. What I'll do is I will put up input boxes, and each input box will be assigned a section in an array. So right here, that inspect the element, and I will input a couple other numbers correctly and a couple wrong. So I'll put 6, 46, 20, 8. Right here, 46 is true, 20 is true, it's false because they don't match, false, and then that's true. So with this, it's already a string because it splits them up into its own separate string. So with this here, it converts that to a number and then equals that to the random numbers that are generated here. So that's the full extent of the program. It will be rewritten, but it will be rewritten, yeah. So Today I thought I would start with writing, even though it's not programming per se, it is writing in the web development field. So I'll be writing the front end, the HTML, and the CSS. But right now I need the HTML written down. So to get that started, right here is the index in HTML. Loads up that in half. Go. Okay, there we go. Now you can see side by side. So what I'm going to do to not make the game run, I'm going to comment out this right here. So it doesn't run. It only runs the front end. I can close that. So I'm going to be using Bootstrap to make everything look nice. So I'm going to get the CDN code for that, or URL. So Bootstrap. Now Bootstrap will make everything clean and I don't have to worry about too much CSS, but I will be modifying some of it to make it work for what I want. Started. Yes, CSS only. I'm going to use the CSS only because that's what I'll do. So I'll let it go before CSS here. Long, and then I'll save that. And then it's updating. Thought I disabled that, but there we go. What did I do wrong? You know what? I'll just comment out everything. There you go. I don't know. What is that? Maybe I do. But anyway, let's first do a container for everything to be put in. Pro, no, div dot. Now this is using the emmet command that is not built in, but that is a package inside of Sublime. Inside inside that div, I'm going to put a div dot row stop. I don't know what plugin that is, but I will be using it hopefully. So div dot column dash medium dash 12. Do that. Come on. There we go. Takes a while for it to register. And in there, I'm going to put an h1 tag with text center the text lottery game. There we go. There we go. And it is responsive. So that works. Bingo. So now that I got that set up, I need to set up a section for the user guess for them to input the letters thing, and display the computer the random generated numbers. So I will create a div dot row doing that, please. Div dot all dot medium dot 12. Inside that, I will put an unordered list. Don't auto generate. Well, with 6 LIs. 2. No. No, wait. I this, can I? There we go. 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. This. And then we do random. Let me just input 0. There we go. I gotta save. There we go. Now that's showing. So the next thing I need to do is change decoration here and change the size and make it go in line with each other. So I'm gonna do that after break the and here. There we go. Now there should be a line right here. Bingo. That should work. So next thing I want to do is so random letters here. So I should put H2 battery. And there we go. That looks real nice. So that I'm going to put another div, copy that. There we go. And we put oh numbers. There we go. Now what I want to do next is I'll put everything in its inline. So and then create that in. I put it CSS style sheet. So that new folder s file style sheet CSS. Bingo. Check if that worked. Let me make the body an absurd color. Purple. Oh, that won't work. Background color. Full. So, now that I know it works, I will now just delete that and show you what it looks like that. See, it adds margin with Bootstrap so that if I shrink this, it makes everything look nice. even in the smallest string. So it can be played on the mobile. So it is mobile responsive. So that is real nice. Next thing I want to do is make the OIs. Oh, that's it. Nope. I don't remember. First things I've learned how to. Yes, I remember now. Style. Style. That's what it was. If not, yes. There we go. Now I need to make them left. Bingo. And I'm gonna make the. Let me just remove this. It is making it hard to. There we go. That's a lot better. I'm gonna make the font size 5. Bingo. That works. And then I'm gonna put some margin on each of them. Let's say 5 pixels. There we go. I could probably do that. 5. Way too big. That's probably way too big. Hello. Don't crash. Ugh. There we go. Sorry, computer froze for a moment. That out. Nope. Oh, great. What's going? Oh. So, hopefully that looks. Nope, it didn't save. Try that. No, that's actually pretty good. So I'll do margin auto to center them. It did not work. Oh wait. Uh, text line center, and I want at least 10. Bingo. It's not center, but you know that's fine for now. I can always adjust it. It is not going to be industry standard, so something to show off my JavaScript skills. Now that I got that done, let's see, what else do I need to do? Right, so I need to create, I'm going to hide the UL, hide the SNID goals. I'm going to hide both of these. So let's give this a class of hide. Probably not a good class to name it, but it gets the point. If it doesn't work, then so what I'm going to do is dot hide well. Then I'm going to display none. That hides them out. See that? There we go. You know what? I'll move this to, I'll rename this to hide div, because that's what hide div. I will this class the div. That way, it hides the entire div. Yes, this on that row. Hide div. Get that out. Hide div. And then when I go to the DOM, which will be tomorrow's video, hopefully, I will program it to toggle to off and toggle that to inputs div, so that me that you put that in there, so it hides that as well. Yeah, the next I can see. Okay, so I need HR vote for that. I don't know. Know what? I think I should put it one level ahead so it hides that entire row. Because if in case I add another column into that row, that makes it easier to do things. So I will put it down here. Then I can make it easier to how that looks by moving that one layer. There we go. There it is. So that works. You know what? It looks better without the HR divider. So I'll just remove those. All about design, I guess. Hopefully the mic's picking up this time. So now that I got those done, what is next on the list? Yes, I need to hide divs. I need, of course, I need a new, ugh, I can't see there. All right, now that that's done. All right, I need to create another div. Oh, so div.row, div.column dash median dot 12. Autocomplete. And in there, I will put an H2 right there. Oh, great, I'm putting insert. Oh, H2. Of course. Yes, I guess 6 numbers. And with that will be paragraph. No, wait, I don't have to do that anymore. It won't be setting up spaces because each number, each part of the array will be in separated with each form. So I don't need to almost anymore. That would be good. Let's that shows yes. Oops, hear anything there? And I'll make it once I got the main setup up, I will make it even harder by allowing the user to set up the minimum and maximum, the maximum amount, and how many numbers they want to guess. That means I need to add more inputs, which they don't want to do anything too advanced. So, you know what? I'm just going to set up everything. So there will be a form, which the action form that inside there, I'll put a label. I'll put input type number. Five, six. Save it. And it should show, will show 6 inputs. There we go. And I will, I should add a minimum of negative of 0. So I will fix that up. But, and it's already setting up the way I want it to. I just need to change the width of these input types and the size of it to 5em to match the size of this. And I want to wrap around. So all I'll do is form width, size, 5. And you know what? Let me know if I need to improve on anything, like how I'm setting up everything. And I'll be sure to let that up. I'll be sure to use tips and tricks in my next project. a go. There we go. Why can't I input numbers? I can only numbers. I'll have to research that. I'm probably inputting the wrong text type. Not let me know. So I got that done. It's probably I will set that up to 5, half that. There we go. That's fine and dandy. So with that done, I'll make the width, I don't know, 85%. Oh wait, there's 6 of them. Oh, there are 6 of them, and I need it to fill the whole page. So 100 divided by 6. There we go. Oh, 16.66. 16.6% of it need to base. Try that. Work exactly as planned. But when you do that, so that works. Yeah, it's probably this. Let me didn't count for this. So let me do it do so 5, 6. There's 7 anyway. 1. There we go. Bingo. And hopefully. And you know what? When it hits a certain section, let's say when it hits a certain section, it will split off to 3x3 area. So the width of that screen right now, I don't have anything to test that with. So, but it looks great so far. And I want to remove the increment, but I do not like that at all. So, and since it's already a number, I don't need to set it up as a number right here. I'll have to set up a number right here because it automatically be a number. So, no, I think it works at the end. So one less code to worry about. That said, maybe I do. Let me check how to in input Gmail. Well, technically it's CSS, but I'm sure there's a property in the tag itself. Ooh, okay. So what's this? What I do? I bookmarked it. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So let's see. It's been 30 minutes already, so yes, that is what it is. Input type number. The CSS tricks, sweet. And if you're type number, spinner, outer spin. So copy this and it should be gone. I do not like the incrementer. This distracts from. Oh, now it shows. Okay. I am still going to change it. Didn't work. Come on. Okay. If you know how to get rid of the um, incrementers and also disable inputting letters, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to implement that before I input JavaScript to mess with the DOM and everything. So I think this is going to end it for now. I think I got everything ready. I got the lottery number div, got numbers, display what is written here. So each li will be number here. So I don't also I inputted the div so I can input the numbers, which also is a plus. I don't have to worry about me. I don't have to worry about splitting this an array or splitting the array, the input. So I can get rid of this section here tomorrow. So I think with that, I think I got everything ready. Wait, there's one more thing. I got to add a play again button. So I will put that with number. So button type. So that that oh, why are you there? Well, okay. Well, I'll worry about that tomorrow. So with that, I think I am done with today's video, and I'll work on the rest of the JavaScript and getting it working with DOM. All right. Before that, I will get GitHub live. So what I'll do is I'll use I will the git bash right here. It's logging in. There we go. Bing 4. So I'm going to push it to GitHub now. And it's not going to do anything because I didn't comment it. Doug. All right. Let me fix that. Everything up to date. Okay, let me add everything. No, let me do that before. I should update. I'm all over the place. I thought about this before. So, let me do day 2, January 2nd, 1st, 2018. 2018. Today I implement HTML and added strap, and that's pretty much what I did today. So now that that's done, let's save that and push that to GitHub. So git add period git commit -m message added add HTML this file. Shit. All right. All right, that finally worked. Okay. That out of the way. Yes, that looks wonderful. Yes, it looks great on full. So, you know what? I'm just gonna end it here. I'll see you guys. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. And for the rest of the week.